Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to back up your contacts on Gmail for lifetime. So let's start. First open contacts on your phone. Now tap on three bars on top left corner and go to Manage Contacts. Now tap on Import or Export Contacts and tap on Export. From here either select internal storage or SD card. And the backup will be saved as contact.vcf. Now let's close this app and open Google Play Store and search for Google Contacts. This app is completely free to download, so download it right now and open the app. Here you can see I have already backed up my contacts. Now let me switch my account. I'll just tap on my profile picture on top right corner and switch my account. And in this account I have no contacts. Now tap on three bars on top left corner and tap on Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Import. Select .vcf file and OK. Now select your Gmail account. If you don't see any file in this window, tap on three dots on top right corner. Then tap on Show Internal Storage. And then if you don't see any file, then tap on three bars on top left corner and tap on your device name. And all the folders and files on your My Files app will show here. Now tap on contacts.vcf. The contacts is now being imported. If you swipe down the notification bar, you'll see the import is going on. When the import is completed, it will show a notification. Now let's go back to the home page of this app. And all the contacts is now backed up. And if you change your phone multiple times in the future, all you have to do is you have to download the Google Contacts app and then sign in with your Gmail account. And that's how you'll get all your numbers on any phone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.